Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. So here's the task. What does this sign mean? Number 1. Bicycle crossing is ahead. Number 2. Cyclists must yield to cars. Number 3. Bicycles are prohibited on this road. Number 4. Only motorcyclists must slow down. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The No Bicycles sign indicates that cyclists are not allowed to ride past this point. This restriction is usually placed on highways, bridges, or tunnels where bicycle travel could be unsafe or interfere with motor vehicle traffic. So the correct answer is number 3. Congratulations if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.